Hey, everyone, it's Kay. Let's be real, we've all been there, staring at our bank accounts after paying bills, wondering where all our hard-earned money went. It's easy to feel like you're on a financial treadmill, but I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be this way. In this video, I'm sharing some of my favorite frugal living tips that have helped me save thousands of dollars over the years. These are practical, actionable strategies that you can start implementing today to keep more money in your pocket. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building a more secure future, hit that subscribe button and let's get started right away. One of the biggest drains on our bank accounts? Food. We're talking groceries, eating out, those daily coffee runs. It all adds up so fast. But guess what? This is one of the easiest areas to start saving money. The key is to get into the habit of meal planning. Before you even think about going to the grocery store, take stock of what you already have in your fridge and pantry. Those leftovers? Repurpose them into a whole new meal. That half-used bag of spinach? Time for a smoothie. Get creative and use what you have. Then make a detailed grocery list and stick to it like glue. This will help you avoid impulse purchases, which can really sabotage your budget. And here's a pro tip. Look for sales and discounts on staples like rice, pasta, and canned goods. You can stock up when they're on sale and save big in the long run. We've all been there. You're browsing online or walking through the mall and suddenly you see it, the must-have item you absolutely need in your life. But before you whip out your credit card, I want you to try something. The 30-day rule. Here's how it works. When you're tempted by a non-essential purchase, hit pause. Instead of buying it right away, give yourself a 30-day waiting period. Write down what it is, how much it costs, and the date. Then walk away. During those 30 days, really think about whether you truly need this item or if it's just a fleeting desire. Chances are, after a month, the initial excitement will have worn off, and you'll realize you can live without it. And if you still really want it after 30 days, then maybe it's something worth considering. The 30-day rule is a game changer for curbing impulse buys and saving money on things you don't actually need. By implementing this simple strategy, you can take control of your spending habits. It not only helps you save money, but also reduces the stress associated with financial decisions. Share this tip with friends and family, and watch how it transforms their approach to shopping. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but making mindful choices that align with your long-term goals. So next time you're tempted by an impulse buy, give the 30-day rule a try and see the difference it makes. Okay, let's talk entertainment. Are you still paying for cable or satellite TV? In the age of streaming, it's time to cut the cord and save big time. Think about it. With streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and Amazon Prime Video, you have access to a massive library of movies, TV shows, and documentaries, all for a fraction of the cost of traditional cable. Do your research and compare different streaming subscriptions to find the ones that best fit your viewing habits. You might be surprised to find that you only need one or two to cover all your entertainment needs. By making the switch to streaming, you can easily save $50 or more every single month. That's money you can put towards your financial goals like paying off debt or investing. Chapter 4. Energy efficiency. Small changes, big savings. Let's be real, nobody likes getting hit with a hefty electricity bill. It can be a real shocker when you see those numbers climbing higher and higher each month. The good news is that you can take control of your energy consumption and save money without making drastic lifestyle changes. Small adjustments can lead to significant savings over time. Start by being mindful of your thermostat. It's one of the easiest ways to manage your energy use. In the winter, try lowering it by a couple of degrees and wearing a sweater or using an extra blanket. This simple change can keep you warm and cozy without overworking your heating system. In the summer, raise it a few degrees and use fans to stay cool. Fans use much less energy than air conditioning units, and they can make a room feel significantly cooler. You'll be surprised by how much of a difference a few degrees can make on your energy bill. It's a small change that can lead to big savings. Another easy win is unplugging electronics when you're not using them. Many devices continue to draw power even when they're turned off, a phenomenon known as phantom load or vampire power. Even when they're turned off, many devices still draw power, which can add up over time. This includes things like phone chargers, laptops, and even some kitchen appliances. So, unplug your phone charger, laptop, and other electronics when you're done using them. It's a simple habit that can prevent unnecessary energy waste. And speaking of energy efficiency, consider switching to LED light bulbs. They are a fantastic investment for your home. They use significantly less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and last much longer, saving you money in the long run. Plus, they come in a variety of colors and brightness levels to suit any room in your house. By making these small changes, you can create a more energy-efficient home, reduce your carbon footprint, and enjoy the financial benefits of lower energy bills. It's a win-win situation for you and the environment. Chapter 5. Thrifting, Finding Treasures, and Saving Money. If you're looking for unique pieces and incredible deals, look no further than your local thrift store. Thrifting has become incredibly popular in recent years, and for good reason. Not only is it a sustainable way to shop, but it's also a goldmine for finding amazing deals on everything from clothes and furniture to books and home decor. I found some of my favorite pieces of clothing and furniture at thrift stores, and I always get compliments on them. Plus, knowing that you're giving these items a second life instead of contributing to waste is a great feeling. So, next time you need something, skip the mall and head to your local thrift store. You might be surprised by what treasures you uncover. Chapter 6. DIY Coffee and Snacks. Skip the coffee shop line, save big time. Let's talk about those daily expenses that can really add up without us even realizing it. Every little purchase, no matter how small, can accumulate over time and make a significant dent in our budget. Coffee and snacks are two prime examples. These seemingly minor indulgences can quickly become a major expense if not monitored. If you're someone who can't function without your morning latte or afternoon pick-me-up, I challenge you to try making your own coffee at home. Not only is it convenient, but it also allows you to customize your drink exactly to your liking. Invest in a good coffee maker or French press, and you'll be amazed by how much money you can save compared to buying coffee every day. The initial investment might seem high, but it pays off in the long run. Plus, you can experiment with different flavors and syrups to create your own signature drinks. Imagine the joy of crafting a perfect cup of coffee that suits your taste buds every single time. The same goes for snacks. Preparing your own snacks at home can be both fun and rewarding. Instead of hitting up the vending machine or convenience store, prepare your own snacks at home. This way you can ensure they are both nutritious and delicious. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and yogurt are all healthy and affordable options. You can mix and match to keep things interesting and cater to your cravings. By making your own coffee and snacks, you'll not only save money, but also have more control over the ingredients and portion sizes. This can lead to healthier eating habits and a more balanced diet overall. Plus, the satisfaction of enjoying something you made yourself is truly unmatched. Chapter 7. The Power of Cash. Spending mindfully, saving effortlessly. In today's digital age, it's easy to swipe our credit cards without giving it much thought. But there's something about paying with cash that forces us to be more mindful of our spending. When you have a limited amount of cash in your wallet, you're less likely to make impulse purchases or overspend. So here's a challenge for you. Try the cash envelope system. At the beginning of each week or month, withdraw a set amount of cash for different spending categories like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once an envelope is empty, that's it. No more spending in that category until the next week or month. This system is a game changer for getting a handle on your spending and avoiding credit card debt. Chapter 8. Track your spending. Knowledge is power. If you want to take control of your finances, you need to know where your money is going. Tracking your spending is crucial for identifying areas where you can cut back and save more. Luckily, there are tons of tools available to make this process easier than ever. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a notebook and pen, whatever works best for you. The key is to be consistent. Make it a habit to track every single expense, no matter how small. At the end of each month, review your spending and look for patterns. Are you surprised by how much you're spending on dining out? Are there any subscriptions you can cancel? By analyzing your spending habits, you can make informed decisions about where to cut back and redirect your money towards your financial goals. So there you have it. 8 practical and effective frugal living tips that can help you save more money on everyday expenses. Remember, Frugal living isn't about depriving yourself or living a life of scarcity. It's about being mindful of your spending, making conscious choices, and finding joy in the simple things. By implementing these tips, you can free up more money to pursue your passions, achieve your financial goals, and live a more fulfilling life. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who could benefit from it, and subscribe to my channel for more personal finance and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching. Frugal living isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart and finding joy in saving. These tips can help you keep more of your hard-earned money without sacrificing the things you love. Try these tips today and see how much you can save.